Thank you for watching my video. Today, I will make teriyaki chicken. It's very popular as home cooking in Japan. The teriyaki sauce is very useful for dishes. We eat meat and fish as well as vegetables with this sauce. Especially teriyaki chicken is very popular. I would like to make the delicious teriyaki sauce, teriyaki chicken, which has crispy skin. So let's get started. These are ingredients. First, this is chicken thigh. To make teriyaki sauce, you need sugar, soy sauce, sake, and mirin. So these are all ingredients. So I forget the potato starch to coat the chicken. So it's less, but I want to coat the chicken not too dry. So let's get started. Okay, let's prepare the chicken. First, I wipe off the chicken with our paper towels. So I want to remove the smell of chicken. And remove the excess fat and strings from the chicken. So like this one. This big strings is not good texture, so I want to remove as well as possible. Okay, I clean the chicken, remove the strings and excess fat. Then flatten the chicken to cook evenly. It prevents the chicken to dry from drying. So here. Make a cut of the knife. Make a cut the chicken with the knife. So I didn't remove the all strings because they are in the meat like this. So if I remove them, so the chicken is broken. So I make a cut add the strong strings. It helps be good texture. Okay, then so stab the chicken skin with fork. It prevents the chicken from shrinking when pan frying. Okay, after that, sprinkle the salt. And let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, so to get rid of the smell of chicken. Okay, after 15 minutes, there are moisture on the surface, so I wipe off this. Okay, I wipe off the surface. And next, coat the chicken with our potato starch. It helps prevent the chicken from drying. And our only meat side, because I want the pan fry, the skin to be crispy, and the render, I want to render the chicken's part between meat and skin, so gently render. Okay, let's pan fry the chicken. Put the oil. And not heat. So first spread the skin and add it. So prevent the skin from shrinking. So I put it onto cold oil and heat it up. When the oil is heating, it's easy to float the skin. So I want to fry the skin to golden brown, so I push it with tongue like this. Okay, when pan frying, it's difficult to cook pan fried to be golden brown evenly, so like this. So I use the frying pan side and pan fry like this. Okay, I think it's good. So, wow. Oh, nice color. And so pan fry 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so I remove this and transfer to the pot. Okay, I wipe off the excess pot. Okay, make the sauce, teriyaki sauce. It's very simple to make. So 2 parts of soy sauce and mirin and sake to 1 part of sugar. So let's start. Okay, I boil down the sauce, but when I taste, so I should add more sugar because my sugar is tensai to beet sugar, and a little less, so I add it. And big bubbles comes out. It's time to put the chicken. So when you put the chicken at first, it's make it dry. So like this is good. So it's sticky. The taste is good. Add the chicken. Wow. And this, add this one. Okay, so maybe cook 1 minute. The skin is crispy. Okay, 1 minute later, I add this sauce with spoon. So it prevents so I want keep the skin crispy. So this. Okay. Turn off the heat and transfer. Okay, cut. Ooh, it's hot. The skin is crispy. それではいただきます。The chicken is crispy. The skin is very crispy and very savory. And the sauce is good coated with chicken. I coat the chicken with potato starch. I can keep the chickens moist, so not too dry, and yes, so it's good. I cook several times teriyaki chicken, but it's very delicious and simple. You can use simple ingredients and seasoning, and I think it's good pan fry the skin to golden brown, crispy. So it's very savory and good well with teriyaki sauce. So I recommend it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.